Today I learned to write me English friends email.
Bad. Very bad try, Rudi.
Oh no, what is wrong now?
Rudi, everything is wrong. Wrong. But don't panic. English likes rules.
English has rules? That's very bad too.
First, not me. Say my. My.
Second, it's not a mail. Say an email.
Third, you are learning now. So say I am learning. I am learning.
So, I am learning to write an email to my English friends.
Wow, Rudi. Good. Very good try. English is happy now.
Perfect, Rudi. Oh, Rudi, sometimes you are the best pupil of the world. And sometimes you really give me a lot of work.
Oh, I like it when you have a lot work with me.
And it did not go well.
They are still my friends, I think.
So, in today's video, we're gonna fix Rudi's informal emails.
The email that he sends to his friends and co-workers.
Yes, I wrote them with my heart. But my heart has really bad grammar. I write everything in my book. Hello, Tom. I want to meet you tomorrow. Tell me if you're free. We can go eat the chicken. Love, Rudi.
That's Rudi, the superstar from Bollywood.
But it is friendly.
Friendly is nice, Rudi, but confusion is not. The correct email should be, "Hey Tom, are you free tomorrow? Can we get some chicken?"
Hi, Tom. Are you free tomorrow? We can get some chicken.
And don't end with love, Rudi.
But I carry love for all people in the world.
That's our Rudi, the superstar from Bollywood.
Hi, Sarah. I finished the work yesterday, but forget to send it, so here is it. If you have any questions, told me quickly. Bye.
Wrong, wrong, wrong. The second sentence is a complete disaster. It's not told, it's tell. If you have any questions, tell me quickly.
If you have any questions, tell me quickly. Perfect. I'm a grammar genius now. Right? I think this is perfect.
Only if Sarah is robot.
The correct sentence must be, "Hi Sarah, I completed the work yesterday and forgot to send it. Here it is. If you have any questions, tell me quickly."
Finished the work yesterday and forgot to send it. Here it is. If you have any questions, tell me quickly.
Wow, Rudi, you are really good.
Learn English with Rudi in Bollywood.
Yes, every day, in every way, we get better and better. Hello, John. Sorry for not coming to your party. I was very tired and my body fall apart. I promise I coming next time. Hug, Rudi.
Wrong, Rudi. Wrong. Stop. Let us fix this disaster.
What? It's perfect, isn't it?
No, listen carefully. My body fall apart. It should be my body fell apart. Past tense, Rudi. And the second one is I promise I'm coming next time. No, it should be I promise I will come next time. It should be future tense. I will come next time. Future tense, Rudi. And it should be not hug, Rudi. It should be hugs, Rudi. Hugs, Rudi. We need plural hugs.
Oh, I am ruined. Grammar is evil.
Evil? No, Rudi, it's just your English. Now read it again like a proper superstar.
Hello, John. Sorry for not coming to your party. I was very tired and my body fell apart. I promise I will come next time. Hugs, Rudi.
Much better. You are our Bollywood star. Very ironic.
Learn English with Rudi in Bollywood.
Hey guys, if you and your friends want to learn while having fun, make sure you share this channel.
And we all give you amazing hugs. Don't forget to smash that like button.
Say